just wrapping up a day of marketing. They just finished their VIP marketing day. So can you guys tell us a little bit about it?
Had a pretty good day. Accomplished a lot of stuff. Planned out a lot for the next year. A lot of stuff we need to do. Didn't have any planned before, so new venture in marketing.
Yeah. What piece of marketing, or like what about the marketing are you most excited about?
I think having the schedule planned out.
Yeah.
To know what we're doing each month.
Yeah. Awesome. Well, I hope that we can give you guys some more time back in your schedule so that you can live the life of owners and have a little bit less responsibility, less hats on your head.
Yep.
But thank you so much for having me.
Yeah,
Thank
thank
you.
you for coming.
Yeah.